Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to clean cooking grates for your grill and barbecue. Begin by turning off the grill with the main control knobs before removing the cooking grates. Allow the cooking grates to cool completely on the grill before handling them for cleaning. Open the grill lid to expose the cooking grates inside the cookbox for removal. Lift the cooking grates straight out of the grill to remove them from the cookbox. Brush the cooking grates with the grill brush to remove residue from the metal bars. Rinse the cooking grates under running water to wash away the loosened residue from the surface. Place the cooking grates back into the grill so they sit in their original position. Finally, close the grill lid after the cleaned cooking grates are back in place securely.